Hey there, sound explorers, what are earpods? Those tiny things people wear in their ears are called earpods. Or sometimes earbuds or earphones. They are like super small speakers made just for your ears. You can listen to your favorite songs or amazing stories and podcasts, all without anyone else hearing. It's your own personal sound bubble. Earpods are super popular today. Why is that? They let you take your sound anywhere. Walking down the street, earpods, riding the bus or train, earpods, even when you're exercising. They give you freedom to listen without disturbing others around you. Long ago, headphones were really big. They covered your whole ear like fluffy earmuffs. Then they started getting smaller and smaller. Now earpods are so tiny, how do they make sound? How do they talk to your phone with no wires? Get ready to learn, sound explorers. Inside the earpod, tiny tech, big beats. What's actually inside an earpod? It might seem like magic, but it's pure science. These tiny devices are packed with amazing technology. The most important part is called a driver. Think of the driver as the heart of the earpod. It's the part that actually makes the sound. Inside the driver, there's a magnet and a tiny coil of wire called a voice coil, and a small, thin diaphragm. These components turn electricity into sound. Science in action. The diaphragm is a very thin, flexible sheet, often made of plastic or special paper. When the voice coil gets an electrical signal, it moves, making the diaphragm vibrate back and forth very fast, like the skin of a tiny drum. Fast vibrations make high-pitched sounds. Slower vibrations make low-pitched sounds like bass. The diaphragm pushes air, creating sound waves, and those sound waves travel into your ear. Amazing! No strings attached. The magic of wireless sound. Remember old headphones with long, tangly wires? You'd put your music player in your pocket, and the wire would always get caught on something. So frustrating. But now, many earpods are wireless. That means no more tangled messes. Wireless earpods give you amazing freedom. Dance, jump, or just walk around. How do these wireless earpods work? They use a cool technology called Bluetooth. Bluetooth is a way for devices to talk to each other using special radio waves. Your phone or music player sends the sound signal through these Bluetooth radio waves to your earpods without any wires. Neat, huh? To use wireless earpods, you first need to pair them. Pairing is like a digital handshake. Once they are paired, they remember each other. So next time, they connect automatically. Wireless earpods make life a little bit easier and a lot more fun. That's the power of invisible connections. Science. Section 4. Awesome audio adventures, cool earpod features. Modern earpods do more than just play sound. They have some really awesome features. One of the most important is sound quality. Good earpods make your music sound incredible. You can hear all the details, the clear high notes, the deep bass. Another key feature is battery life. Wireless earpods need power, of course. They have tiny rechargeable batteries inside them. And the carrying case often works as a charger too. Some earpods can play for many hours, so your audio adventure doesn't stop. Then there's noise cancellation. Some earpods can listen to the noise around you, like the rumble of a bus or people talking. They create an opposite sound wave. This anti-sound cancels out the unwanted noise. Many earpods have other tricks. They often have tiny microphones built in, so you can make phone calls with them, hands-free. Some have touch controls on the earpods themselves. Earpods are getting smarter all the time, packed with features to make your listening better. Section 5, catching the vibe, sound waves, your ears, and what's next. So we know earpods make sound. But what is sound? Sound is an invisible wave that travels through the air. Imagine dropping a pebble in a calm pond. You see ripples or waves spread out, right? Sound waves are kind of like that, but they are waves of vibrating air particles. Earpods are designed to make these sound waves very precisely. The vibrating diaphragm inside the earpod pushes the air. These waves travel down your ear canal. The shape of the earpod helps direct these waves right where they need to go, so you can hear every note and every word. When sound waves reach your ear, they hit your eardrum. The eardrum vibrates when the sound waves hit it. These vibrations are passed on to tiny bones in your middle ear, then to a snail-shaped part called the cochlea. Inside the cochlea, tiny hair cells turn vibrations into electrical signals. Your brain understands these signals as sound. Biology is awesome. The future of earpods is full of exciting possibilities. Imagine earpods that can translate languages in real time or monitor your health like your heart rate. Wow,